Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6-string Fingerpicking. In this lesson, we're learning how to play a kind of complete beginner fingerstyle arrangement of Norwegian wood. So if you're new to fingerstyle and you're a big fan of the Beatles, then this lesson is for you. First off, you want to be in standard tuning and place a capo onto the 2nd fret. So let's start with just the melody. I once had a girl, or should I say, she once had me. And then we'll add the bass notes after that. So for that, we're up on the top string on the 5th fret. So you want to play that. And then on the same string, we're going to play 7th fret, 5th fret, 3rd, and 2nd. Okay, and then open 3rd fret, 2nd fret, and then it's going to be the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Okay, so if you put all of that together, okay, and now let's add in the bass note. So we're going to play a bass note with the 5th fret here, and we'll also play a bass note with the 2nd fret here. Okay, and then on that last one, the 2nd string 3rd fret, we'll play a bass note there. And our bass note is just the 4th string, the D string. So slowly. Okay, watch that as many times as you need to. I'll play it once more. So bass with the 5th fret. Once had a 2nd fret bass. Or should I? Bass with the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Okay, so it's fiddly, but eventually you'll get it up to that speed. And then it goes to a C chord, so hold down a full C chord. All you really need is the 1st fret on the 2nd string and the 3rd fret on the 5th string. Play those two together. And then using your little finger, play the 3rd fret on the top string. So you've gone, and then you're going to play the 2nd string open with the 2nd fret on the 5th string. Okay, so like that's fiddly, but I'm sure you can do it. And then go and play the 2nd fret on the 3rd string with the open 4th string. So that is. You see, I'm holding down a D chord here. You don't have to do that, you can just play that note. If you want to do it like that, that's absolutely fine. Okay, but that is it. Okay, this part's repeated a whole bunch of times before you go into the bridge section. So let me play it for you once more, really slow. So really take your time, really practice it over and over again, and gradually start building up the speed as and when you get comfortable with it. So then the next section goes, she asked me to stay and she told me to sit anywhere. Okay, and then that goes back into once had a girl, the part we just learnt. So this part, again, let's start with just the melody. So it's going to start on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then we're up to the 1st string, and you're going to play the 5th fret 4 times. She asked me to stay. And then down to the 3rd fret on the same string, and play that 3 times. Okay, so down to the first fret and play that 3 times, and then 3, and then 1. So slowly. Okay, and that goes to a G chord. Okay, you can play it however you want to play a G chord, is absolutely fine. I like it like this, in this case. Alright, so but as long as you're playing the 3rd fret top string with the 3rd fret bottom string together, then you've got it. But let's add the bass note. So we play the 3rd fret, and then we're going to play with that 5th fret on top, play the bass, which again is the 4th string. Okay, so and on that last 3rd fret, the 3rd one of that 3rd fret, that's when you play the next bass note. And then the rest, and then we play these two, or on a G chord. So that's the 3rd fret on the 1st and 6th string together, and then just using the index finger, a really light strum on the chord, and then bass, strum, 2, like that, and then you do it again, 3rd fret, and our melody with the bass, and second time we go to an E minor, and then a A7. So what you want to do here, 3rd fret on the top string, again, but this time instead of the 3rd fret on the bottom string of the bass, play just the 6th string open. So with that 3rd fret held down on the top string, I like to hold down an E minor chord with it. Because we're going to do like before, we play the 1st and 6th string together, and then strum, really lightly. Okay, and then A7, so you play the 5th string open, and then play the 2nd fret on the 2nd string, and the 4th fret on the, it's the 4th string, 2nd fret, okay? Hold those down on the fretboard, and that's your A7 chord. So that's... and that's it. That's that section. So here it is one more time. E minor, strum, A7, strum, and back to the... Okay, so that's all the parts. So here's one more run through of the 2 parts together. Isn't it good, Norwegian? She asked me. A7, back to, and you can end. Alright, so that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Feel free to check out some of the other videos I have here on my channel. And if you want to try out one of my fingerstyle guitar courses, feel free, go ahead. You can do it completely for free when you join my mailing list. So if you're interested in that, you want to take your fingerstyle playing a bit further, then follow the link down in the description. But until next time, thanks a lot.